Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best corded circular saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt DWE575SB 7-1/4 inch lightweight circular saw. Dewalt has brought out such a great circular saw that will sway you to buy it right away. All aspects of this saw are unique and very significant for making the cutting process easier and more relaxing. Its sophisticated body structure is one of the highlighting features of this saw. This aspect plays a huge role in differentiating it from others. You can experience supreme comfort and control using it. Its rear-angled handle and one in the front has been given so that you can hold the saw using both your hands. It increases control and helps to keep balance. Both the handles are rubber overmolded to ensure a better grip without a slip. As there is so much to talk about its structure, there is much to talk about its strength too. The Dewalt Circular Saw DWE575SB is powered by electricity. Its 15-amp proficient motor helps to generate maximum power possible. The saw gains a very high blade rotating speed to cut through every material you work on. A powerful saw with a high blade speed can be dangerous at times. But this saw makes sure you only get the positive sides of its strength, diminishing all the threatening aspects. Such thoughtful addition to the saw is its advanced electric brake system. As soon as you release the trigger, this brake stops the blade from revolving. This brake is really effective to give you a safer version of a circular saw. It's a common scenario after every cutting session. The sawdust gets piled up everywhere. I don't think you will be facing that for this saw. 'Cause this special saw has its own dust exhaust system for clearing out specks of dust right after work. You don't have to do anything about that. You can work in peace with this. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Makita 5007 mg Magnesium 7-1/4 inch corded circular saw. Makita circular saw is a huge hit by the name itself. The brand has consistently manufactured incredible power tools over the years and maintained its standard till now. And this model of the corded circular saw from Makita is no different. The saw is a very powerful one. You can complete all your hardcore cutting tasks with this. The saw offers a massive blade speed of 5,800 RPM. This huge blade speed with the right blade can make your cuts faster and more efficient. Besides efficiency, you require versatility. And so you get from this saw. It is a highly versatile tool with the capability of making multiple forms of cuts. It also gives the opportunity of making bevel cuts up to a huge 56.0 angle. You may lock the saw at plus 22.50 and plus 45.0 angles. It has a very simple lever lock system with angle markings engraved on it. Literally, anybody without any prior knowledge about circular saws can adjust it and make successful cuts. Its usability is that straightforward. This Makita circular saw 5007 mg is made with highly durable magnesium. This gives the saw both durability and lightweightiness. Its construction is done in such a way it maintains balance and can tackle all work abuse. A unique feature for this circular saw is the addition of LED lights. Now you may ask, what's so good about them? They are a very effective light pair that illuminates when you start the saw for cutting. They brighten up the dark cutting area to get better visibility of the cut line. It is very useful in times of need. At number 3, we have the Skil 5280-01 circular saw with single beam laser guide. If you are on a tight budget, this saw is for you. It doesn't lack in any aspect, even though coming at a very low price. It is one of the best saws for the money. You would not even believe me that it comes at such an affordable price after getting to know its qualities. This Skil circular saw includes some marvelous features that even many expensive ones don't. Not always the price matters. Quality is the main factor here. Like all the other circular saws, this one shows great efficiency in cutting. It lacks in no respect, not even in power. It is a highly powerful saw that can generate about 5,300 RPM blade speed. You can achieve accurate cuts and fast cuts with this high-speed range. Big cuts are comparatively easier to make. The struggle comes when you have to make cuts in small material pieces. Nonetheless, you do not have to be facing such issues if you work with Skil's circular saw. This advanced tool has a lower guard with an anti-snag feature. This ingenious addition eliminates the snagging issues and helps you to make successful cuts on small objects. Sawdust is a big issue while sawing. And no issue is ignored in this saw. All problems are mitigated by the extraordinary features the saw has. Similarly, this sawdust problem is solved by its inbuilt dust blower system. It blows away all the sawdust from the workspace and gives you a clearer view of the cut. Circular saw being a handheld tool, its weight is a huge factor to consider. Surprisingly, this Skil 5280-01 circular saw, even though having that many features, have very lightweight. It weighs merely 6.95 pounds, making it easy for you to handle it. At number 2, we have the Porter Cable PCE 315 amp heavy-duty steel shoe circular saw. Porter Cable has brought out this model of circular saw that gives more than enough, but at a very reasonable price. It will be unwise to let this offer go. It is the top-rated corded circular saw under $100 that you can ever find in the market. This saw is preferred by many professionals for its performance. It is suitable for heavy-duty jobs as it can work for long hours. You can use it break-free in keeping with your requirements. In terms of efficiency, it has shown positive results as reviewed by its users. The saw can deliver a blade speed of around 5,500 RPM. This speed is perfect for large wood cutting works. With the right blade, you can gain high SFM. This can help you get quicker cuts and complete your tasks much faster than usual. Even though it will be quicker, your cuts will be accurate too. You can rely on it for not giving you rough ends. Changing the blade is a piece of cake for this saw. In no time you can change the blade with a new one. And this is for the effective spindle lock system it has. This lock system keeps the blade secured on its position when locked and pops it open in one try when you want to change it. It makes the work effortless. An important aspect to talk about for this saw is its auxiliary handle. This type of handle raises the comfort level for handling. In addition to this, its rubber overmolding is like the cherry on top. This gives you grip and provides better control of the saw. All in all, you hit the bounty at such a reasonable price. You should give this competent corded circular saw a try. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch CS5 120V 7-1/4 inch left-handed circular saw. Ending the list with an extraordinary circular saw from Bosch. This model of Bosch circular saw is a tough one. The saw is made focusing on the principal needs of the users. It matches the professional standards and can be used in heavy-duty jobs. To perform hardcore cutting works, a saw needs strength. And this saw is ready to provide you with that. The saw consists of a 15-amp powerful motor that can deliver higher power to cut through your required materials effectively. You can expect to get fine cuts without any chipping or roughness. Accuracy is a bigger aspect if you consider so. It is not only bound to power but also accurate measurements and following it accordingly. This saw includes an error-free measurement scaling indicator marked on its shoe. It is very helpful to deliver quick measurements while making the cuts. And thus, helps to gain accurate cuts. Making versatile cuts is a core feature for a circular saw. This saw is no different. One such unique cut form is bevel cuts that you can make with this saw. You get a bevel capacity of up to 56.0 angle. With its easy lever lock system, you can choose and lock at the required angle to make your cut. Maintenance is necessary for increasing the life of the saw. In this Bosch CS5 saw, you can easily remove the end cap and do proper servicing. This cap removing facility makes the maintenance process effortless. You can brush the saw inside out. Thus, your saw gets a holistic cleaning service. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.